Uru makes the tackle front on. The Chiefs keep coming away. Knocking at the door. Taukei'aho will be hard to stop here. Looking to reach out and score. He's got it. And it's the All Blacks hooker who's got it. The second try of the season of Taukei'aho. He's got it on the string. And it's the Chiefs who lead it by 7-0. Ross, the back from McKenzie, playing well in this area of the park. And now Satiti. He's got a Money Nutter on the inside, and Money's going to score that.
The Chiefs go bang bang. A couple of really good tries early in the match. Brings the crowd into the game.
Again, a similar angle and a similar result. He knows it. Damien McKenzie. Excellent for the Chiefs. McKenzie out the back door once more. That's Stevenson and the sniffer all in his face. And Money Nutter keeps it in beautifully. Oh, playoffs, the call, he's going to get another. They will take a look, but that is electric from the Chiefs.
Oh, that was close to the touchline. I think they might check those back. When it's all going your way, everything seems to stick.
Damien McKenzie brings up 150. The Chiefs just shy of the halfway line. Little kick through to Stevenson. He's got players screaming all over the place. Puts a kick through. Now the chase. And is it going to be another try? It is. That is special. And he's got his 60th this season at Nanaimo Sotero.
Oh, Damien McKenzie's eye-flying Taukei'aho, perhaps. He was the one that caught that. Excellent work, the execution.
He's having a great night off the tee. The Chiefs are having a great...
If you're good, your player's in the way, not rolling.
Atima keeping the ball alive. Now McKenzie just makes the drop onto the boot. Good now. Loses it in contact and will come back.
Yeah, another player on the wrong side, not rolling.
This night off the tee so far continues for Damien McKenzie. The Chiefs have turned up tonight. Right on the goal line. Greeley could this be it? Oh, so close. Matt Greeley. McDermott has a snipe and he scores it. First try for the Reds. And boy, did they need that.
Oh, they certainly did. Straight off the break. It was nice that it went to play.
Liner. Full noise of FNG behind him, but that's a very good kick. Liner converts the try. After McKenzie, be hard to stop here. Oh, slicing through. Like a hot knife through butter. And it's Anton Leonard Brown. It's the bit for the Chiefs.
Oh, really clinical from the Chiefs, so it's been your patience.
He kicks the conversion. It is over. McDermott. McGrath will look to try and bust away through. Fraser McGrath. Good tackle on him by Damien McKenzie. Scooped up off the ground. McDermott. Uru looks to free the pass to right. He's going to scoop through for a second, is he? He's going to claim it. The try score. Take McDermott. And now comes back to the penalty. Jacobson has it. In the centre of the ball, it's shifted back to Slater. Got plenty of these. For Taranaki. They still one in the quarter-final. The Chiefs close. And the try is scored. And it is Slater. Now right. Going to try and throw the offload. Thomas has it. Nasser wants it. The halfback throws a lovely cut-out pass. The Reds are going to score a beautiful try. For Chiefs. Wouldn't it be something of a turnover if the breakdown would finish this game for the big shot coming in. Oh, ripped away. Order. Kemp's whistle goes.
The knock on with the game.
The Chiefs once again are heading into the Super Rugby semi-finals.
In the line-out, and the penalty goes against the Hurricanes. Here's Jordan with his first testing attempt of the afternoon, and he nails it with a very good Walker Leaweri. Now Sangster. So long is right there. Another goes, no man! Not quite. Arms gone out. Short pass, Tossie! And up to 25 minutes. The Hurricanes have scored. Jordan goes short. Hurricanes weren't expecting it. The Rebels have got a man right there. It's a penalty.
Late to the contours, seventh man in the air.
Handy position. Carter Gordon, yes, guides it through. Barrett again, now Barrett. Barrett goes hard at the line. Slings it off the top. Warby! And the try is scored. Right on half-time. By Josh Warby.
Well, there's the counter-attack. Started off by Godfrey at the back, along with Ray Arthey and co.
Straight down the middle. Well, it's been a ding-dong battle in the first half, but the Hurricanes score late and lead at the break by 14 points to 6. Leaves it there for Pedernara. Over Barrett. Good run by Barrett. Got it away to Yassi. And Yassi scores the try.
Two significant line breaks, one just before half-time, and one now.
Position. Look to the right, wing to the left. Blackeye turns it up. Over. Boy, what a player he is. Looking to convert his fourth try. Does so. He's hitting some rhythm now. O'Byrne again. 10 metres away. Short pass. Flanders goes. And Flanders scores.
Just power again.
15 minutes remaining. And the Rebels in possession. No pass away for the Otago. Pass off going to him. Here goes Rocky Anderson. What a good try. Scored by Rocky Anderson.
It really was. Really difficult for them to find the space, the Rebels, but when they did,
Now Gordon from the sideline. He's put really well tonight. Rose, now in front of two back. And the Rebels back in possession. The over, beautiful offload. And here they come again. Inside pass, John Gilman, getting linked up. Gordon snaps it up, and he's going to do it again. Another try for Anderson.
what a beauty, all right. You will not see too many better so far this season. Rocky Anderson finishes it.
Gordon again. And yes, another good hit. Flanders already picked up a try tonight. Now Judd. Short and scoring is Kiripi.
Well, historically they do so.
Joey Wheeler just gave me a filthy look. I think he's standing over me. Good challenge by Brent Shields. Naholo. Penny Naholo scores. So there goes the siren. You can see whether the it from them. And
Leary takes it down. They drive towards the line. Gone to ground. Walked out by the Blues as the call. Now the referee can see Dalton. And the Blues had a lunge at the line here.
Totally lost the big. Okay, I'm coming to you on this. I've totally lost sight of the ball.
And you don't blame him for missing that because we all did. Converts the opening try and the Blues lead 7-0 at Eden Park. Drummer, kick out to the wing. Try! Oh, couldn't quite take it. Ball bubbles up. It's grabbed by Rico Ioane. Referee is trying to play it. Christie! Jimmy Christie!
it's not clearly
With the TMO, that it's not like boarding. You're so right, Mills. It was the body position of Clark to turn his body and allow that to fall backwards.
As the kick from Harry Plummer, he slips, but it doesn't stop him from landing the kick. Referee playing another advantage. 5 away from the line. The referee says we'll have the penalty. Now 80 for the season, 83 with this. Christie sends it away to
Absolutely, Acton can't do. There's plenty of pressure on the job, taking all that, zapping all that energy out of them, the initial energy.
It's a better scrum. Will they have a go? Here's Mussey. And again he goes in upright. It's an easy target to be wrapped up. They keep it going forward, but as soon as this stops, it'll be a ball turnover. No time for the scrum. Half time at Eden Park. Dominant first 40 from the Blues. And they lead at the break in quarterfinal number 3 by 22-0. From Ravula. Trying to get some with it on Ramu Tamunda. And now he breaks the Danger Man to the first goal of the game. He's a microphone and he scores. What a great start to the second half for the Fijian Blues. Superstar from the draw. Just when you thought they were going backwards, the Blues seemed nice and connected. And all it took was a little bit of a space for this Danger Man. The right foot step on the inside, beating those Blues forward. And how about the finish? Thompson continues his good work. Good England now has the ball in the back. They're heading forwards too here, the Blues. Trying to wrap them up. Moving towards the goal line. They're over the goal line. And McMillan says that's a try. Kurt England. Makes no mistake. Thompson again goes up. Now he is England flying away. Lovely ball on the inside and Clark is through. Well given back by the Blues. And Taylor Clark scores.
Beautifully executed from the Blues.
Formaki puts it dead. Blues into the semi-final. Season comes to an end for the Drua. They've done so well to get to the quarterfinals.
Hooper delays the pass for Lolosio. Icky Town, lovely hands down the right side. Here's the cut. Muirhead's on the outside. Muirhead! It's a Brody special! That's as good as it gets from the Brumbies. And tie again. Nareki with a good clean take, met by Muirhead. Valentina steamrolls his way through the breakdown. Now the Highlanders will benefit and seal it off. The strike's good and rips one wide. Gilbert stands and delivers. Right to Motobuki Nikins. On for Nareki. Nareki! That's some kind of reply from the Highlanders.
Reward for their efforts. The Highlanders get another line-out attack. Has penalty advantage.
Reload again in close. Penalty advantage. Brumbies. Pollard over the top. Pollard. I think it's good.
Initial hit bouncing to the left ear of his body. Fucking Tava. And I thought he got it down. Just there.
Swain. One away. Looking for Batsabas. Fuller holds his feet. And Billy's got two. Coliseum goes crossfield. He's looking for Muirhead. Muirhead throws it ahead. And throws it ahead again. Oh, Andy Muirhead! The skills are sublime. And he's got a second.
Wow, the Brumbies, everything on display there.
Taylor, got there by Frost. There's Roman, and they're now having a go at it. And there it is. That'll be the final play. Promises not in here, and the Brumbies will go through the season